In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Gmail. Many of us use Gmail every day for personal and professional communication, and sometimes aligning your text to look neat and professional is just what you need to make your email stand out. While Gmail doesn't provide a direct toolbar option for justifying text, there are ways to achieve a justified alignment with a little creativity. Let's dive into how you can do this effectively. First, it's important to note that Gmail's formatting options are quite straightforward and currently don't include a Justify Text feature in the default toolbar. However, with a simple workaround using Google Docs, you can achieve the look you're aiming for. So, we'll start by opening a new window or tab in your browser and navigating to Google Docs. You can do this easily by typing docs.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account to access Google Docs. Once you're in Google Docs, go ahead and start a new blank document. Now, here's where the magic happens. In this blank document, you're free to write the content you'd like to include in your email. As you draft your content, ensure it's well organized and exactly as you want it to appear in Gmail. With your content ready, highlight all of the text. You can quickly do this by pressing Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Next, navigate to the toolbar at the top of the page and look for the text alignment icons. Click on the Justify icon, which looks like a series of horizontal lines of equal length. Your text is now justified in Google Docs, appearing as a straight, clean block on both the left and right margins. Review your text to ensure everything looks as intended and make any necessary adjustments to paragraphs or spacing. Once satisfied, the next step is to transfer this text over to Gmail. Click and drag to highlight all the text again, or use the Ctrl+A or Command+A shortcut, and then copy it by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or simply by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now, switch over to your Gmail account and open a new email draft. In the body section of the email, right-click and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the justified text into your email. The formatting from Google Docs should carry over, maintaining that justified appearance. It's always a good idea to double-check your email in the Gmail draft to ensure that everything looks correct and no formatting errors have occurred during the transfer. When your message looks good and is aligned the way you want, you're ready to send your email with that professional, clean, and justified text. By using Google Docs as a middle step, you can easily justify text in Gmail, helping your emails look polished and professional. Feel free to explore other Google Docs formatting features to further enhance your emails.